I'm in Washington, Spokane, Washington. Truck's a little dirty, especially through all the snow, Wyoming, Continental Divide, and Utah. But I got loaded last night about 11 at night and got out of there about 2 in the morning. And I drove straight to Washington. I gotta go to Spokane. I'm about 50 miles away. I'm at a rest area. I got down to 12 minutes on my logs. These are the padlocks you really need, the ones that are sealed up. It's got a little hole on it so the water comes out of it, just in case there's any in there. But it's a good truck. But the trailer here is an old Pine Hill trailer, so it's got all the chicken lights. This truck's pretty dirty, huh? But it's March. It's March 7th. There's an MRS truck. I used to take their freight to Salt Lake City every week for about 14 years. But it's about 50 degrees out. This rest area here looks pretty busy. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm stuck here for 10 hours. But I'll probably leave here about 3:30 in the morning. I got a 5 a.m. appointment. I got 3 drops tomorrow. Got Core-Mark and some store I got to go to. I can't remember. And then Safeway. I got to go there. Well, this is a different little, they call this a lake here, that's weird. It's off of a river. Watch for rattlesnakes. I don't see any rattlesnakes. Must have some problems here. But we'll take a walk here and see what this rest area is about. This is I-90 going eastbound. There was a storm in Montana, so from Salt Lake City or really Clearfield I loaded and I went straight up. You're supposed to take 15 all the way up to Butte and then take 90 over, but there's a big snowstorm, so it's about 60 miles more if you take 84 through Boise all the way up to 82 at the 179 mile marker on 84 in Oregon. You take that north to 395, that takes you up all the way up to 90 here. This mile marker, I believe it's a 243, 242 mile marker. But yeah, I'm not that far away from Spokane. I think it's about 50 miles away from my destination. Spokane Valley is my first drop. And the next 2 are in Spokane. Well, they call this a lake, but it's actually a river here. Looks like this fence has been beaten up. You gotta watch for rattlesnakes. And it's probably too cold for them. Still curled up. It looks like a farm town over there. It was a good cold night last night. It went down to about 3 degrees in Idaho. I left Utah. It was about, say, 31 degrees, and we were really, really cold. A lot of fog. One of those freezing kind of fogs. Once I got into Washington, it was up in the 30s, but now it's in the 50s. Railroad of the West. So this town here is called Sprague. They made a Northern Pacific Railroad in 1883. This is what inside the passenger cars look like. It looks like Northern Pacific shop in Sprague, so they repaired the locomotives here in service. Looks like a lot of guys. Northern Pacific Work Train, Lake Sprague, I believe. 1892, that's the name of this lake. Northern Pacific Yellowstone, Northern Pacific logo based on Korean flag and adopted in 1890. So many immigrants, including Chinese, Scandinavian, and Eastern and Southern Europeans, labored 13 years to build the second transcontinental route. So this is to Seattle, all the way hooking down north, and that goes all the way across to Minnesota, North Dakota, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon. Alright. But it took months, now it took days once the railroad is all put up. That's neat. Looks like we've got a missing person. Oh, yeah, missing person. Reward for first person to send a picture of her at present or any information whereabouts. February 7th, 2023 in Spokane at SPARC Treatment Center. She left. She may be on the streets. And that's Navarre Reeve, 27 years old, 5'6", tall, blonde hair. Blonde hair, hazel eyes, it looks like. Well, I gotta keep an eye on her, see if the Mercedes vans picked her up. That's too bad. That's a big investigation. Let's see, February. That's just a month old, so she should probably got picked up. Out on the street. The Mercedes-Benz vans, they come and pick them up. They could have walked in that facility and picked her up. Sprague Lake Rest Area. That's interesting. There's Spokane right here. I'm right here, Sprague Lake. That's about 50 miles. You gotta go to Spokane Valley first, then there are 3 drops. Oh yeah, 90 all the way to 390 right here at Risville. 395, and that takes you to Kenwick, and then you take 82 down to 84. That's how I cut that corner. Well, it's good to take a walk. I've got 10 hours to spare. When I get out of here, it'll be late, and all the trucks will be here, all packed in. Well, I'm hoping it'll be alright, a good day tomorrow. 3 drops. Never been to these places in Spokane. Should be alright. Good old Pete's. Well, my truck looks good far away. I always try to keep the metal all clean. The body, of course, goes to truck wash. That way I don't have to polish all the time. I just keep wiping it down, clean it up. This helps when you go across scales too. That way they don't red light you. Well, I got about 280,000 on this now. Driving it hard. But it's not going to California this time. I'm going up to Washington. But it's a good truck. This here's 90. Oh, parking lot. Yep, 242 mile marker. Well, it's a different look. Well, it's March and it's still a little cold. We got no heavy hauler, oversized coming over. Heavy hauler, oversized. Never ending, hauling freight. Looks like a bus coming in. Greyhound, I haven't seen them in a while. I don't see Greyhounds on the road. But that's what the new buses look like. Yeah, still got the Pine Hill emblem on the side. Pine Hill Trucking. Oh well. It's too bad the owner passed away, but he sold it to Double J Transport. You can barely see the sticker on the side. You even got the 920-387-8327, I believe, the old phone number, Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. Huh. It's nice to have the trailer with nothing on the side. It looks good. I don't like too much advertisement. But I guess I'll get some rest here. It'll be a busy day tomorrow. I appreciate taking a walk with I.